So, as small independent business owners, I think we can all agree that running our own business, trying to do that entrepreneurial thing, creating that successful business, and growing is a challenge. And getting the kind of customer traffic that we want for our business is a real challenge. Yes, we know we have to work on our marketing. Part of that marketing includes digital marketing on our websites, as well as trying to connect that all with all of our social media, etc. But when you take into consideration Google being the number one search engine in the world, we've got to try and optimize what we're doing as much as we possibly can to get the kind of traffic we want. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm designer Frank Blanchard, AIFD, and I am all about helping people create successful businesses, especially in the floral industry. But a lot of my content is really interchangeable depending on what kind of a business you are operating. It doesn't really matter. It's basic principles of conducting business now, today in 2021, when so much of our business of any kind is all happening online. So, one of the biggest challenges for a lot of businesses is getting enough web traffic to actually get the kind of business we want to have happening for our work situation, whatever that happens to be. So for my particular niche, if you are a flower farmer, you're a floral designer with a studio-based design business, you're a retail florist, online florist, it's all about getting that traffic. And there are a lot of different things that go into that. Today, though, I've got one really easy hack for you that can help tremendously. And this all has to do with your Google My Business local listing. One of the biggest downfalls that I've found for many small businesses, it doesn't matter the niche that you happen to be in, Google My Business is one of your most powerful tools in order to grow your business and scale your business in the way that you want to have it develop. Now, in one of my other videos, and I'll share it in the cards up top here, I specifically talk about the importance of your business name and having a keyword as part of your business name. That can help you tremendously in order to help your business grow overall online. But there are a few things that you can do to help continue your web traffic to grow, even if you haven't been able to do that. So think about what kind of a business it is that you run. What single word, or possibly 2 words max, would be the best descriptive word of what you do. As an example, I have a really good friend who is a beekeeper, and she sells honey. She has a brand of honey that she sells and is very successful with it. But what she could potentially do in order to strengthen her overall web presence and to improve her searchability on Google Maps especially, is if she had the term beekeeper as part of her business name. Or if you're a retail florist, if you don't have the word florist or flower shop as part of your business name, there again, this hack is going to work for you. Now, this simple hack is very easy. It's a no-brainer. Anybody can do it as long as you have access and you are utilizing your Google My Business local listing page. So when you get on your Google My Business the next time, go into the information about your page on your dashboard. That's the area where you can change and update the name of your business, the address where you're located, the hours that you're operating, etc. When you're in that area, the spot you want to focus on is your business name. So even if the word or term that best describes what you do is not part of your business name, this is the hack. Add a hyphen at the end of your business name and then add that keyword term or phrase that describes your business. So if you are a retail florist and you have a retail florist shop, but the word florist is not included as part of your business name, have your business name on that line, but add the hyphen and the word florist. For retail florists, or really anybody in the flower industry, the word florist or flower shop are really the two most used word or phrase that people generally use when they're searching for our kinds of products and services. So just by adding that hyphen and that descriptive word, keyword, that most people use to try and find your kind of business will help ensure that when they are searching for you on Google Maps, your business is going to show up. So take that to heart, because if you don't look at your Google My Local Business listing page, Google My Business, that's a whole lot to spit out. The next time you go in there, even if you're not planning on doing anything else on your Google My Business page, if you're just trying to get more traffic to your website and more traffic to your business, take just a couple of minutes, open that puppy up, get your name line on there in the information settings on your dashboard, and update your business name and add that hyphen and that descriptive keyword that describes your business. So remember, for retail florists, it would be florist or flower shop, or flower farm if you're a flower farmer, or in the case of my friend who's a beekeeper, it would be beekeeper. Or if you know somebody who's a plumber, maybe you have a really good friend who's a plumber. If they don't have the word plumber as part of their business name, they could do the same thing. Go into that setting on your Google My Business local listing dashboard and just add the hyphen and that descriptive word. It will help tremendously. If you like this kind of content, definitely give my video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider doing so. And if you'd like to be notified when I do upload new content for you, definitely hit that bell icon down below. Now, if you are in the process of trying to optimize your online web presence, I've got some other videos over here in the end screen that you might want to check out. I've got a lot of content for you that's all on the topic of optimizing your business and creating that successful business in the floral industry. Until next time, everybody, be well. Go optimize that information on your Google My Business listing, and I will see you very soon. Next video, if you have the time. Bye-bye.